headers. Have a little bit of who we got here?
Taranaki Tūturu and Ngāti Mutunga.
Yes, you know when we're on, brother.
Oh, no, tell me when we're on.
Ngāti
We're on Mutunga.
Yes, we know we're on, brother. You're on, ready to go, bud? Are you ready to go, Nicholas? Okay. Kia ora whānau, and welcome back to the Taranaki Whānui Māori Rugby League Tournament 2025. Today we feature round number 4. Taranaki Tūturu versus Ngāti Mutunga. And today in the commentary we have Pilo Rangi from Taranaki Tūturu. How are we today there, brother?
Yeah, looking forward to it, mate. It's all go.
Tūturu kick off, and they hold on the 40 there. Tackle 1. That's great defense from Tūturu, and they're pushing back. That is great defense. Really making a statement in earlier stages here. Tackle 2.
Tell them who you are.
And that's tackle 3. Looks like there's a one-on-one strip there. Tūturu hot. Actually, we're going back there. Looking for a knock-on. So in your commentary, we have Levi Lightning McPhee and Pilo Rangi. We're going to bring you details and commentary on the game. As you can see out there, the rain is really coming down now from the northern end. As we see there, Ngāti Mutunga have got the penalty, and they are now starting off on the 40-metre line of the Tūturu half. Pilo, what is your feelings on the game today?
It's looking pretty high intensity out there from the first lot of D. I think it's going to come down to who can hold the ball today. Less errors. Oh, they shoot down the blind side there. Oh, there's another error there. It's, the weather's going to pay a bit of a contributing until the errors today, but it's looking sharp.
That's exactly right. So Tūturu tackle 1 after that knock on from Mutunga. And we are settling down here, tackle 2. Still on the Tūturu's half there. Great ball play. Shifting out towards the left-hand side of the Tūturu. And there looks like there was a strip. And there was more than one player there. So a bit of a reprieve for Tūturu as they can now start their attack inside the Ngāti Mutunga half.
Go. Who passes out? Nice settle there by the big fella.
There's tackle 1 on the 30. As Tūturu look to settle it up. A bit of ball playing. There's a nice cut there. Compressing the defence. They're looking very, very sharp out there in the early stages, Tūturu.
There's another hit up by Ra. Looking like they're going to push down the blind here. There they go. Backdoor play. Dummy inside. Take the settle there. Still going. Bust through the middle. Inside ball. Another ball. Is that a try?
It's just short there. Tūturu hot on attack. Tackle 3. Back to Kahui out wide. Oh, and he's passed it too far, and that's gone out into the touchline. That's a little bit of a reprieve for Ngāti Mutunga there, their Pilo, and that is a reset for the Ngāti Mutunga team in their own half.
It's a good set of play there by Tūturu. By themselves defending off Mutunga's line here. They push outside, another settle here.
Oh, that's a big shot there, yeah. And he felt that. We actually heard that all the way up here. That's tackle 2.
Early kick.
Oh, early kick, and that's and that is no good. That is out on the full. So Taranaki Tūturu will actually have possession inside the Ngāti Mutunga half. We've got a game here.
We'll see if Taranaki can hold out this set, maybe get some points. We'll shoot down the blind. Another settle there. One.
And there was a pretty good play there to stay in the field of play. Very slippery conditions here, so it's going to be tight. If they hold it very, very tight, it should be a very, very good game. It's tackle 2. We're inside the 20-metre mark. Tūturu hot on attack. As they shift the ball out wide, there's a nice step. Oh, great offload. There's tackle 3. Tūturu looking to establish some first points on the board as they go down the blind. And they hold the player up. It is tackle 3 as they start to formulate a back line. Looking out, and they pass the back door. Here we are. Oh, and that's great defense from Ngāti Mutunga. Oh, is they going to push him out? No, they keep him in the field of play, and that's 5th and final. What have we got here?
Set up for the kick. No. Run it on last.
Oh. And he just gave the ball away. Looking for that spectacular pass, but no, Ngāti Mutunga were up for it. Now they're going to have to muscle it out of their own 20. This is going to be some hard work. Tackle 3. Ngāti Mutunga still within their 20. So they look to shift it out wide. There's a quick dummy half play there. There's some space up the middle there. Tackle 4. What do we got here? Here we go. And the kick is down the line there. And it looks like a 40-20. It is a 40-20. What a great response from Ngāti Mutunga. 20-40. That's spectacular. What do you think that they're going to present here there, Pilo?
It's a good opportunity for them to have a guard attack at the Tūturu try line. And they've put themselves in good space here, so hopefully they can might be able to get first points here.
That's right there, Pilo. Some great opportunity to get some points. We have a fresh set of 6 within the Tūturu's 20. And we just got a little bit of a hold up here. Just waiting for the reset. And we are now about to continue on play inside the Tūturu 10. It's a nice tap ball. And as a Ngāti Mutunga side is itching towards the try line there. It's tackle 1 as they start to spread the ball out. Oh, it's like, no, he's got away off that. It's a little bit of a head-high tackle. Tackle 2, deep in the Tūturu's half. Inside ball. Oh, that's great defense from the Tūturu forwards there. It's tackle 3. Can they hold them out? It's great ball playing. Another inside pass straight up the middle. Have they got? He's into. Oh, and it's back. So he shifts it out wide, and they are going to call that ball forward. That is very unlucky. Very unlucky. That was a well orchestrated set play, but the last pass was forward. Pilo, they had a great opportunity there to get the first points on the board, but that last pass just went forward.
Yeah, just unlucky there. They were looking quite sharp earlier on in the set. Just unfortunately with that last pass getting called forward. But we'll see how Taranaki Tūturu come off their line.
That's exactly right. This is going to be hard work, especially going into the wind. The northerly is very, very strong and the ball is wet. So they're going to have to really look at holding that ball and getting those measures as they go down the short side. That's a great step. That's a great play for the young winger, and they can't stop him, and he's up to the 40-metre line. That's a great first play. Tackle one as Tūturu on the 40, and they are stretching to be onside. Where was the ref? Here we are on the 50-metre mark on tackle 2. This is great play from Tūturu. Oh, and a penalty for holding the player down. This is a great reprieve for Tūturu. Can they orchestrate some points here? Here we go. Can we get some points to start off the game? Tūturu looking very, very strong.
Yeah, no, they had a good set of line there, but they've also made plenty of yards off that set and managed to get another repeat for a penalty. Let's see what they can do in this set.
Tackle one as they come back up to the middle there, looking for some space up the inside ball there. Oh, that's a great offload. Tūturu looking very, very strong. There's another offload there. Kahu, oh, and he's just dragged down 10 metres outside the Ngāti Mutunga line as they go back into the short side. Oh, and he's just stopped there, inches away from the try line here. Tūturu are hot on attack there. A little bit stagnant. Need to get some go forward as they get the big boy up there, settling in the middle of the paddock there. Hot on attack again. 10 metres out. Tackle 3. Back inside ball. Are they going to stop him? He's still going across the line. Oh, inches away. 5th and final tackle. What have they got? Here they go. The dummy. No. The chip. And it's contained. Ngāti Mutunga hold out. Real spectacular play. Going from their own half all the way in through to the 10-metre line of the Ngāti Mutunga goal line. So, hey, that's great effort from both those boys.
I mean, though, they use professionals. Mutunga. Yeah. M-U-T-U-N-G-A.
And we got a reset there from a penalty back on the 30. Just inside outside the 30-metre mark, tackle 2.
Another outside pass there. Good D for Taranaki. Ball's gone backwards. Ref's calling play on. Another pass there. Tackle 3.
They're trying to get out of their half. Oh, that's a great run on the edge there. Tackle 5. What have they got here? As they use that wind to their advantage. Oh, they're going to let that ball bounce. Yes, they do. And it's going to be hard work to get out of there. 10. That's a great chase out wide. Tūturu are going to have to work very, very hard. See a few hands on their hips there from the forwards. Oh, that's a great inside ball there. And that's tackle 2. Just outside the 30 there. Tūturu are muscling up the field. One off play there. And yes, they were offside. So there's a bit of, again, Ngāti
Mutunga giving away a penalty. Here's the tap. Settle up the middle. Taranaki Tūturu with first tackle.
Interesting that they didn't take the kick towards the outline, but I guess with that Northerly hammering, they're probably better off just to hold on to that ball. They have to go and reset that one there on tackle 2. The big boy up the middle, looking for some space behind the ruck. Oh, that's a great run. Great leg drive there. Establishing some really, really good field position here now. Oh, they catching the dummy halves, not square of there. Tackle 3. Looking out wide. It's a nice chip ahead. Oh, but it's straight to the player.
Good defensive effort there by Ngāti Mutunga. Another settle there. I think they need to try and push it out a little. They're just running straight off the ruck here. I think 2 passes seem working well for Taranaki Tūturu. Probably something the other lads could try as well, is trying to get 2 passes out there. Just spreading that ball. Here they go, they push it wide. It's good meters made there. 2 tackles to go here. Just short of the 40. Another early kick.
Yeah, they're definitely finding some space out the back there. Is he going to let that ball dribble? And that looks like it's a 7 tackle restart. This is good. And we're still 0-0 here, Whānui. This is...
Oh, yeah. Oh, no, bring one up, please. Oh.
As we tap off, there's tackle 0. Tūturu are looking to get out of that. And that's a strong run right behind the ruck. And they're definitely exposing a lot of space behind that ruck, Tūturu. You see the one-off runners. And that's yep. And that was... And
knock on there, unfortunately. So they'll reset the play on the 40-metre line.
Yep, and I guess just looking at that, I think Ngāti Mutunga liked that because they were definitely under a lot of pressure, especially having missed a lot of tackles just up through the middle part of that field. As we go to tackle 1, and as they try to make inroads into the Taranaki Tūturu's half, and it is, yep, and it's just going to be one of those games. I think anyone that can hold on to the pool is probably going to win this game. So, yeah, it's
flag up here. He's seen something and tackle.
There were more than one person in the tackle. Is it going to be a rip, or are we going to be looking at a knock on?
It's like a penalty.
It is. Yep. Ngāti Mutunga is.
Mate, yep. It's like a high tackle there.
Tackled
by the referee.
Yep. And this is going to give some very, very good territory for Ngāti Mutunga to attack the Tūturu line with a fresh set of 6 inside the 30. So welcome to all our viewers at home. Great to have you here as we celebrate the 10th anniversary of the Taranaki Whānui Māori Rugby League 2025 as Ngāti Mutunga tackle 2 inside the Tūturu's 20. As they shifted out wide. Oh, that's great ball play. Oh, what a shot. But that shot was illegal. And there goes the half. Will they take the 2 points? Will they take the 2? This is a tight game. This is 0-0. What are they going to do? What do you reckon, Pilo?
They're running the tee out there, so it looks like they're going to take the 2.
I don't think that they actually had a choice. I think the coach handed the ball boy that tee and told him to get it out there as fast as he can, like a lizard drinking.
It's definitely been a good game up to now. Hopefully they can have a better second half with less errors. And
these players, well, use footy players.
Yeah, we'll just see how we go. This kick, there's a strong wind in there. So.
Oh, it was rugby. Oh, you played the league.
Here we are lining up the kick, shot at goal. First opportunity for points in this game.
And points are going to be very, very hard to come by. But I do believe that win is probably a good 10-point win as we've seen in the last previous games. So, yeah, Tūturu. Oh!
Well, thanks to the wind, looks like it blew it straight down the middle. So that'll be 2-0 to Ngāti Mutunga.
They missed that kick there, Pilo. So yeah, we're back to 0-0. But that was a shank if you ever seen one.
I thought the wind had pushed it back over the black dot there, but can't have.
No, and your eyes too. So as we go to the break, we are 0-0. Taranaki Tūturu versus Ngāti Mutunga in the 10th anniversary Taranaki Māori's 2025 Rugby League competition. Welcome back, whānau, as we kick off the second half of this epic battle between Tūturu and
Ngāti Mutunga.
Ngāti Mutunga. Apologies about my pronunciation. I will get it better as we go on. As we do that's a great run up the middle there. There's a lot of space behind that ruck there that Tūturu exposing, Pilo.
Yeah, no, I noticed in the first half there they were running up the middle, getting extra metres and that, and also the offload were quite good as well. So they'll be trying to look to that, I think, this half.
Oh, and he just hands the ball back over, and we've got a speedster now who's just picked up the ball just short of the 40-metre mark of the Tūturu line. Ngāti Mutunga are now hot on attack inside the Tūturu line. Tackle 2 on the 40. As they look to shift it. Oh, here comes a
big guy.
Woo! Did you hear that? That was a big shot.
Meters made as well by the big fella.
Tackle 3. So we're just outside the 30-metre. Ngāti Mutunga. Oh, and he just dropped the ball as they started to look like they were going to start to put on the pressure and get some points. We're still locked in at 0-0, whānau.
No, it's going to come down to who holds the ball, eh? There's been a few mistakes from both sides. I think the team that can hold the ball, play out these sets, will probably have a good chance of going through and taking this one out. But yeah, the completion rate's not too good at the moment from both sides.
Yeah, and that's right. And as we start off from the scrum, Tūturu tackle 1. Just outside the 40 now on tackle 2. As they start to look to rush behind and start exposing that weakness that's behind the Ngāti Mutunga side, behind the ruck. And we've got a slow play of the ball there. Oh, what's going on here? No, just a little bit of love there. As Sean Muddy takes the ball up to settle in for tackle number 3. This is good work from the Tūturu side as an early kick to look to apply some pressure, and that ball's going to sit up just before the line there. Oh, that's great defense here, and that
Chased by Tūturu there. Let's see if they can keep Ngāti Mutunga in their 20. Good set of D.
as Ngāti Mutunga is now looking to bring some fresh legs on there. And we're tackles. Oh, look! Oh, we got a bit of a head collision, and that's very unfortunate. So we're going to have a little bit of a pause here as we just check on our players from the Taranaki Tūturu side, see how they are. And that looked like a very, very heavy collision. But they're both back on their feet. They've shaken it off. Hopefully they continue on with the game.
Yeah, no, it's part of the game, unfortunately. But just the set before from Tūturu getting to the kick, like I said, that's probably what's going to keep the game going, is getting to their sets, getting through these sets and without any mistakes.
As we look to continue on the play, as Matu have going to be getting the ball out just beyond the 30-metre mark. It's a Mutunga looking for a backdoor play there, and they're shifting the ball out wide. Good. Looking for space. Oh, that's a great inside ball there. Yeah, tackle 3.
Thank you.
Just on the 50-metre. Short play. Oh, there's heavy defence up the middle there. But sorry, that is tackle 5 now. So what have they got up their sleeves?
Last play. Puts a chip through.
Oh.
Back to 1. Play on. Rest still play on. Is it still last? Yep.
Oh, he did call restart of the game, but restart of the play, but they did not see that play. So Taranaki Tūturu will now have the ball in possession just on their 20-metre.
Good scoot there by dummy half. Right, another pass into the mid. Another hit up there by Taranaki Tūturu. Good 2-man tackle there. All right, they go blindside here.
Oh, that's
Scoot from dummy half. He's
exposing, and he's broken through the tackle. Oh, that's great defense. It was really, really stretching. He needed to stop that one, and he did. Tūturu hot on attack. The ball players are all running forward. Oh, and a little bit of a stagnant stop there. Oh, and a kick that went to nowhere, and it's just a turnover. That's unfortunate for Tūturu there.
Here we go, Ngāti Mutunga coming off their line. Oh, nice run there. Good meters, still going, pushing through. That's tackle 2.
Bit of a slow play of the ball there, but he's back to his feet. Backdoor play. And we'll do the first first hit up of the set. So it's tackle 3. And all trying to expose some slow ball in the ruck. And a great short plays on the side there. Great dummy, and he's straight through the gap. One person to beat. Oh, he's passed earlier. Chip ahead. Oh, he's like, oh. And just looks like it's a knock on. Yes, it is. But great short play from Ngāti Mutunga. They absolutely looked devastated. They looked absolutely certain to score down that short side, but unfortunately that last pass didn't go to hand and the ball was knocked on. So Tūturu will start from inside their 10. And Pilo has got a nice little reminder of some of our major players, major sponsors.
Thanks to the major sponsors, Toi Foundation, Para Tini Te Waitotara, and One Foundation.
Thank you for that. And really, really do appreciate all our sponsors that have made this awesome event possible today. To start to work it outside their 20, and we are in tackle 1. Nice short play, and again, they're exposing that right behind the ruck, and that's been one of the feature games for Tūturu there, Pilo.
Yeah, no, they're definitely making good meters up the middle there. They just need to look for an offload, I think, and maybe look for a good line break. Just pushing one off the ruck at the moment. I think I'd like to see the ball go maybe 2-3 passes wide.
Yeah, and as you see, some of the Ngāti Mutunga side are struggling to get back on side. But they're holding thin, and as we see the number 13 for Tūturu holding that ball just inside their half. As they it looks like a forward pass, yeah. And the touch judge has spotted that. Unfortunate there that it was on. It was a 4-on-2 there, and if that went through the hands, that could have been devastating for Ngāti Mutunga.
Yeah, no, it was a good little blindside play there. Unfortunately, the last pass was forward. So, yeah, just once again need to try and eliminate all the errors, and hopefully the teams can start playing out their full sets.
Again, we'd like to thank our sponsors, associated sponsors for the games that we have got on today. And we'll get back to those sponsors very shortly as we return back to the game, settling the ball for tackle 2 inside the Ngāti Mutunga half. Tackle 3 as we see a head up and settle. That's great defense there. They are putting a lot of pressure on and it's a little bit of play behind the half, and he's not too sure what's happened there, but you need to take your hands off the ball player to allow him to play that ball. So we've got a fresh set of 6, and we're looking at it, and they are going to be taking the points, Pilo. What's your guesses here? The opportunity of getting this over, because that wind is very strong, but the good thing about it is behind him. So can he get it?
Yeah, I think at this stage points are quite hard to come by. So I think it looks like they're going to grab any opportunity at any points. So yeah, we'll see if this one goes over. Like you said, the wind is behind them. It's a very strong wind, so we'll see how it goes with this kick.
Yes, and that's right, Pilo, and that's certainly no gimme here. We are just 28 metres and just a little bit to the left of the upright. So he probably doesn't need to use much power, more of the accuracy as he lines up the kick here. That looks like a better strike there. Oh, but he's pushed it again out to the right. This is no good, but the good thing about it is that they do get the ball back. So it's a 20 metre, no, it's a 20 metre dropout. So Tūturu will get the ball back, but that was costly. Points, as you said, Pilo, is not gonna come easy.
No, so this will be another opportunity for Taranaki Tūturu to have another dig inside Ngāti Mutunga's half.
As Ngāti Mutunga look to reset the play from a 20-metre dropout, and that's a really, really good dropout that's going to put a lot of pressure. And what do we got there? So we have an official knock-on from Tūturu, and that's a big reprieve from there. And that was a lot of pressure. That was a very, very good kick as well. There were 3 Ngāti Mutunga players surrounding that single player out on the wing, and mate, he actually made a bit of a meal of it.
Yeah, no, unfortunately, another error, which is a costly one, as they would have had a shot at Ngāti Mutunga's line.
And as we see there, Taranaki Tūturu are pushing against the scrum, and this is just a little bit messy in the scrum department there. Hopefully they can get the ball out, which they do. Ngāti Mutunga are going to be pushing it out to the 40-metre line on tackle 1.
So hopefully we see a full set here. Hopefully they can get to the kick. It's just been a few errors in there. The ref's blown another penalty here for a flop by the looks.
Yep, and that's exactly right. I mean, this is a great opportunity for Ngāti Mutunga to get some points on the board as they take a quick tap. And that is going to be tackle 1 just inside the 38 of the Taranaki Tūturu side. And is it going to be another one? It is. It's another penalty. This is going to be costly for Tūturu. What do we got here? Oh, as he goes for the sideline, that's great meters. We are 10, 15 meters out from the Tūturu line. Ngāti Mutunga are hot on attack now, Pilo.
Yeah, no, we'll see them play out this set. Those first tackle, seal of the tap.
Oh, and we got a one-on-one strip there, but it didn't come to effect. So there was going to be a reset. It is.
One off the ruck again. Maybe Ngāti Mutunga need to try and get 2 passes in as well. Just use the width. They're running straight off the ruck. It's very easy for Tūturu to read. They need to challenge their D-line by using the width. Scoop from dummy half. Short. There's about 1 metre short from the line.
The tackle 3 here, and there's looks like he's going to be using his player as a. And we're just waiting for the ref. Oh, he has called the held. He's very, very lucky to get away with that because, to be honest with you, he was pushing against his player, and that's a shepherd. Tackle 3. Oh, and the ball. Oh, great hands. The big step off the left as he goes surges to the line. Is it going to be a try? Oh, he's just short there. Tackle 5. Ngāti Mutunga hot on attack as they shift it out to the blind side.
Nothing going.
Bit of a stutter step there. Great defense from the Tūturu team, and that is a handover. That's great defense there, Pilo.
Yeah, no, it was very good D there. Unfortunately, Ngāti Mutunga couldn't find that final pass across the line, but hats off to Taranaki Tūturu. Good, solid D.
What a great game that we have here. Look at the crowd. Look at the kids out there. They're just eating this up. This is absolutely sensational. Take my hat off to all the organisers that made this possible. Great work, Taranaki. Great work. As we start to count down towards the final end of the game, this is a great surge up the. It is great meters up the middle there. That's trying. It's hard. Oh, and it's a knock on. After that great surge up the middle there, he's just knocked it on, and that's where it's going to end up. Possibly going to be where the game's going to be won, is who can hold on to the ball.
Yeah, no, I think I mentioned that earlier in the game. There, it's quite challenging conditions out there, but I think the boys can definitely settle it down a little and just try and get to their kicks, and try and get some repeat sets, cause a bit of pressure. But we'll see how they go off this set.
As Ngāti Mutunga are yet to feed the ball in, they are inside the Taranaki Tūturu's half. We are pushing it out and it's going out wide early. No space out there as the Taranaki Tūturu. So, look, that's a great fend. And he is tackled inside the Taranaki Tūturu's 30. And short play. Oh, that's great work from the. That's a great work from the inside player of the ruck. Oh, and that's going to be a knock on. And a fresh set of 6 for Ngāti Mutunga. And wait, we've got
come in. He's obviously seen something.
He's definitely not shy of letting us know what's going on, but that's good. We need that. We need our officials to be spot on, and they have been spot on all competition. So great work for them.
Here's a penalty for Ngāti Mutunga. Let's see what they do here. They're going to tap and go.
Ngāti Mutunga inside the 20 of the Taranaki Tūturu's half. We're inside the 10 now, going to the short side. Great ball play, and that's the first try. What a sensational pass out there. Did you even see that ball, Pilo?
Oh, brilliant ball. No, it's good skills there by the playmaker. Skipped about 2 players, got a nice solid pass out to the wing who was just sprinting on the outside. The space was there, managed to catch it and run through, score the first opening try of the game.
It's right there, and I think that this is a very good turning point for the team that are up against it, because they're heading into that northerly, the strong winds, and yet they can turn something into points. So as we take a look at the kicker, it's going to be pretty hard to get this one over as the wind is very, very strong. 4 points to 0. Ngāti Mutunga now on the board. Our first slot of points. Can we make it 6-0?
That's a shot.
That's a good strike, but yep, as you see, that wind is really playing havoc. Yes, yeah, it's going to be hard. Oh, and that's it. That's it. And we haven't even heard the hooter. And the ref is looking at the bench, and yes, it is. It is game over. Wow.
Unbelievable try there right at the bitter end of the game. Didn't realise there was not much time to go, but well done to Ngāti Mutunga with that try to get through with a 4-0 victory.
That's exactly right. And would like to thank you, Pilo, and the team that have commentated and that behind the scenes in the videoing of this spectacular game. And what an end that was. Right at the death, Taranaki Tūturu 0. Ngāti Mutunga 4. Yeah.